Right, next video in. So we have got an Audi Q5 in for engine management light. Been into several garages. Same thing again. They say the same to do with the throttle. They reset everything, light comes straight back on again in the next couple of days. So let's have a quick look. You can see we've got an engine management light on, so let's see what the full codes come back as. Right, so we've got the Q3 in. Let's see what we've got on the diagnostic machine. That's if you can even see it. It's that bright here. Right, so we have got a P0121 throttle pedal position sensor circuit range performance, and we have got a U1008 diagnostic interface for CAN bus readout DTC. So I think I've had this before, and normally the problem stems with a coked up throttle position. So let's see what we've got when we start taking it apart. See you in the next one. Right, let's get this throttle body out and see what we've got going on. Some pain in the arse bolts. There we go. Look at that. Unbelievable. There's your reason. Let's get it sorted. I don't know if you can see this, but look at this. Look at that. Ready? Look at that. Unbelievable. Right, that is the Audi Q3. Throttle body off, cleaned. Let me show you the mess. 3 tins later. Look at that. Look. Unbelievable. So Audi Q3, let's see what we got. Okay, so ignition on. Awesome. Right, let's see if we've got any fault codes here. Well, another one done. Now let's finish off this Peugeot 3008, and we've just had another cash guy turn up. So catch you in a bit.